never seen nothing like this in my entire life. New York flooded.
Charger is out for the count. Charger is out for the count. Yeah, he's out. Alright, who's next? Then you got this. Oh.
Very bad condition. Weather very bad.
Yo, they got that.
Wow. Jersey. This is Leland and 3rd. This is
Johns Road neighborhood is taking on water. The houses are flooding. This is in Bernie off of Johns Road.
There goes the yard.
Of the local fix, and looking over there towards Hobby Lobby, and oh my goodness, just look at this. I think this is the Leona, but it's pretty unbelievable. I don't think I've ever seen it like this before. Right here by Ace Hardware. This is Highway 9 from Uvalde. That's pretty hard to believe.
I'm at the park, Memorial Park in Uvalde. And what you're seeing there is the bridge underwater. Which comes this way and goes into this raft, all underwater. Which goes into the park down there. 2026 flood, Uvalde, Texas.